Good night. Good night too. He's going to
Well,
sleep maybe right now.
he just said like good evening, but
Okay, yeah, because good night in Filipino is like going to sleep now.
yes. So um,
Obrigado.
I don't know if if he requests or not, but he usually just does live. You know. You
Thank
think
you.
he can
Yeah,
try to bring him up?
obrigado. Baba muna ako dyan. Sige, sige, Roro. Salamat, Roro. You can join again.
I was telling you, I found this
Pastor
song
Jose.
today. Uh huh. Pastor, seja bem-vindo, Pastor.
Obrigado. Is that thank you, obrigado? Right?
Thank, obrigado, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're